Hello everyone. I wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to use Destiny Discover, our ebook collection. The first thing that I need you to do is to go over and to go to our school website. Now you can either get there through schools, through elementary schools. I find it easier just to type in brock.sccpss.com and enter. Now that we're on our main site, we need to click on Media Center, and then underneath the links, the second link is Destiny. I need you to go ahead and click on that. Now, when you get to Destiny, this is what it's going to look like. We need to log in to be able to get to where we need to go. So, go ahead and go up to the upper right hand with your cursor and click on the login. As you can see, my username is in here as well as my password. Teachers, you will use your username and password as well to enter, and students will also use their username and password, and that will give them the ability to go right on in. So click login, and we're at our main page. What I would like you to do is I would like you to go over to where it says catalog. Now on catalog, you see the main place where we can search the library, but over to the left are a bunch of different links. Destiny Quest, Destiny Discover. We want to concentrate on Destiny Discover. So on the left hand side, I need you to click on that. And wait just a moment for it to come up. Now, Destiny Discover gives you books that are in our library as well as ebooks. So you can do it by topics. These down here, Lightbox, these are the ebooks that have the websites as well as timelines, as well as videos, assessments. Those are all in here. If you look at the infinity sign, that means it can be checked out by all the students if necessary. There is no just one book. So the students are able to click on any of these and be able to get into them and to interact with them. The ebooks that are below, you can see some that have the infinity sign, which again means that there's an endless number of copies, so all the students can check it out at once. And then you might have one like this that says in, but if a student checks it out, it would be unavailable for the rest of the school until that student checks it in. So you can, see all. And then, but below that, we have some more interactive ebooks. These do include the Lightbox books, but it also includes other ebooks that have more of a limited interaction with it. But they also have the ability to, if say a student doesn't know a word, they're able to click on it and it will tell you the word. So this is a wonderful resource to use, especially if your students need books to read. They can go ahead and do this from home. I'll go ahead and click see all so that you can get an idea of everything that is in here. But it ranges from science to social studies. Those are the main concentrations I wanted to do, since I know a lot of the teachers, y'all have such limited time. So if you have any questions concerning this, feel free to give me an email. But otherwise, I do appreciate your time. I hope this helps, and I will look forward to any questions that you might have. Thank you. Have a good day.